My dear students and viewers, welcome to my online English class. I am Deepak Kumar Ravidas, Assistant Teacher, Gwalanda Ideal High School, Gwalanda Rajbari. Students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Creator. Dear students, you know that we are passing our days in panic for coronavirus. Our school has been closed for a long time, so keeping all of you at home and safe, I am going to start my online class. Dear students, look at the picture. Do you know who is this woman? Yes, this woman is Begum Rokeya. Dear students, today's topic is great woman to remember, Begum Rokeya. Class 7, subject English first paper, Unit 5, Lesson 1 and 2. Dear students, in this unit, learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to ask and answer questions, talk about people, read and understand text, write answers to questions, write short paragraphs and compositions, understand and enjoy stories, poem and other text materials. Dear students, before going to our main passage, we have to learn some important vocabularies and its Bangla meaning. Famous means বিখ্যাত, social worker সমাজকর্মী, undivided অবিভক্ত, century শতক, believed বিশ্বাস করতেন, opportunities সুবিধাগুলো, society সমাজ, educated শিক্ষিত, landlord জমিদার, cause কারণ. Dear students, another vocabulary cooperative সমবায়, encouraged means উৎসাহিত করা, activities কর্মকাণ্ড, upper means উপরে, communication means যোগাযোগ, mother tongue মাতৃভাষা, learned শিখেছি, married বিবাহিত, fought যুদ্ধ করেছিল, rights অধিকার. Dear students, now we are going to Read out the whole passage about Rokia. Dear students, open your textbook and read out with me. Begum Rokia was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Dear students, Begum Rokia was born in a village called Pairavant, Rangpur in 1880. Her father, Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Sabir, was an educated landlord. Rokia was married to Khan Bahadur Shakhawat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokia to go on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokia had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English for her eldest brother Ibrahim. Dear students, we have already finished the passage about Begum Rokia. Now take the correct answer. Number 1, Begum Rokia fought for option A, democracy, B, independence, C, women's right. Dear student, can you tell me which is the correct answer? Yes, women's right. Begum Rokia fought for women's right. Our next question, Begum Rokia was born in option A village, option B, a town, option C, a slum. Which is the correct answer? Yes, option A is the correct answer, a village. Rokia was born in a village. Our next question, Rokia loved option A, English, option B, Bangla, option C, Urdu. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Bangla. Rokia loved Bangla. Dear students, our next question, Shakhawat Hossain's working place was option A, Pairavant, option B, Bhagalpur, option C, Rangpur. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Bhagalpur. Shakhawat Hossain's working place was Bhagalpur. Our next question, Bhagalpur is a district in option A Bangladesh, option B West Bengal, option C Bihar. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Bihar. Bhagalpur is a district in Bihar. Number 6, Shaukat Hossain died in option A 1902, option B 1909, option C 1932. Yes, 1909. Shaukat Hossain was died. Shaukat Hossain died in 1909. Next question. Number 7. Begum Rokeya set up a girls' high school in option A Kolkata, option B Bhagalpur, option C Pairaband. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Bhagalpur. Begum Rokeya set up a girls' high school in Bhagalpur. Yes. Next question. Begum Rokeya set up this school in memory of her option A husband, B father, C mother. Yes, Begum Rokeya set up this school in memory of her husband. Dear students, there was a dispute in her husband's family. Here dispute means that the members option A were of the same opinion, option B had different opinion, number C did not like each other. Which is the correct answer? Yes, had different opinion. Dear student, next question. Shaukat Hossain Memorial Girls High School is option A private school, option B a government school, option C a Muslim school. Which is the correct answer? Yes, a government school. Shaukat Hossain Memorial Girls School is a government school. Dear students, Begum Rokeya wrote option A short stories and poem, B novel and poems, option C novel and short stories. Which is the correct answer? Yes, novels and short stories. Begum Rokeya wrote novel and short stories. Dear students, now we are going to learn some questions answer some question. Our first question is, what was Begum Rokeya's belief? Do you know? Yes, Begum Rokeya's belief was that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. Dear student, our next question, what did she fight for? Do you know? Yes, she fought for their cause throughout her life. Dear students, our Next question, what kind of family did she come from? We know from the passage she came from a sophisticated Muslim family. Dear students, here are another question. Number D, why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at that time? Do you know? Yes. Yes, the answer will be at that time many upper class Muslims learned Arabic and Persian for their education and communication. Dear student, why did Rokia learn Bangla and English? Rokia had a great love for her mother tongue Bangla and she learned English for her passion. Dear student, what did Begum Rokia do for female education? Do you know? Yes, the answer will be Begum Rokia set up a girls' school for female education. Dear student, our next question, why did she move Shakhawat Memorial Girls' School to Kolkata? It is an important question. The answer will be she moved Shakhawat Memorial Girls' School to Kolkata because there was a dispute among the members of her husband's family over the school landlord. What are some of her important writings? Do you know? Yes. Sultana's Dream, Padmarang, Pipasha, etc. are some of her important writings. Dear students, let's do some true false. Dear students, Begum Rokia, a famous singer. Is it true or false? Can you say? Yes, it is false. The correct answer, Begum Rokia was a famous writer. Number 2, she lived in undivided Bengal in the early 21st century. It is false. The correct answer, she lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. Dear students, our next true false. Rokia was born in a village. Is it true? Yes. Next question. She learned English and Bangla from her eldest sister. Is it true? Yes. It is false. The correct answer, she learnt English and Bangla from her eldest brother. Our next question, her eldest brother is Ibrahim. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Our next true false question, dear student, now we have another part of questions. Fill the box. Here is a box about Begum Rokeya. One is done for you. Occupation. This box is done for you. You have to fulfill another box. Here, occupation, writer and social worker. Here, born in. The answer, 1880. Married, Begum Rokeya married 1896. Family, landlord. And language, Bangla and English. Yes. Okay. My dear students, now I give you homework. Write a short paragraph about Begum Rokeya. Dear students, you have to complete this paragraph. Next class. Dear student, I am concluding today's class in the hope that you will all stay away from corruption and drug, stay at home and be safe. All of you will not go out of the house unnecessarily, must wear a mask when going out in an emergency. You should all wash your hands with soap or hand wash for at least 20 seconds. Dear students, thank you very much. I will see you and I will meet with you in the next class. Thank you very much.